Hello students, welcome back to online classes of Semstar Global School. I am Fizza Akhtar and I am back with English literature session. This is part 1 of the chapter and today we are going to deal in chapter 2. The theme of the chapter is same, Wonders of Travel. Chapter 2 Pushkar, written by Hug Ganster and Kulgin Ganster. Let us see what this chapter deals in. And this video basically will be the summary of the chapter. Before moving ahead, let me tell you a bit about these authors. These are Hug and Colleen Ganster. They are now in their 80s and they have been writing since 1974. They wrote articles, books, and TV shows on travel. That is why they are regarded as celebrated travelers. Their journey as a writer duo started in 1974 when they were commissioned to write a book on Kerala for Indian Tourism Development Corporation. They won the National Tourism Award in 2011-12 for their travel books The Alluring North and The Vibrant West. Because they have been writing travel articles, that is why they wrote their experience on this beautiful place, Pushkar. So those who are not aware of this, let me tell you, Pushkar is the center-east part of Rajasthan on the western side of Aravalli Mountains. It is about 10 km from Ajmer and Ajmer is the nearest major railway station there. Pushkar is a small town or village in Rajasthan. But this is important because in this place every year Pushkar Fair or Pushkar Camel Fair, which is also called Pushkar Mela, is held every year. This Pushkar Mela is an annual multi-day livestock fair and it also includes cultural fete. The local people call it as Kartik Mela also, because it starts in the month of Kartik and ends on Kartik Purnima. Kartik is one of the months according to Hindu calendar, which is typically around late of October and starting of November according to the Gregorian or British calendar. The Pushkar Fair is one of India's largest camel, horse and cattle fair. Basically, trading of livestock is done during this Pushkar Mela. It also attracts thousands of tourists from all across the world because of its cultural themes. In this Mela, competition and cultural events like dances, tug of war between women's and men's team, the Matka Phod competition, which is very common in this Pushkar Mela. It happens like people have to go, they have to run with the matka and they have to break that matka at the certain point. This is very common in Pushkar Mela. And camel races are also very important and it is a cultural part of this Pushkar Mela. There are other competitions also like bridal competition or longest moustache competition and so on. So it is one of the biggest fair in India. Another important aspect of Pushkar Mela is because of this Pushkar Lake. The Pushkar Lake is surrounded by 52 bathing ghats. Ghats means a series of steps leading to the lake, where people in large numbers, they go to the lake and take a sacred dip in that Pushkar Lake. People also believe that a dip in this sacred lake will clean their sins and it will also cure skin diseases. Over 500 temples are situated around this lake area. Another important aspect of this Mela is people trade their livestock, that includes cow, sheep, goat, camel, horses, etc. The Pushkar Carnival is also famous for its local handicraft stalls that includes clothes, fabrics, bracelets, textiles and many other things. The local market is very beautiful. So this is the background of the chapter. It deals basically in Pushkar Mela, the whole carnival festival, and we will also study this in detail in the next part of the video, that is tomorrow. Till then, everybody, take care, keep studying, keep revising. Thank you.